Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a website in 10 minutes, and I mean literally 10 minutes. The website is going to be elegant looking, and I'm also going to show you how you can set up not just this kind of website but several other kind of beautiful websites. After you set it up, you can go ahead and edit. Now if you like content like this, then I'll encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content. And also, if you would like to learn about programming, different kinds of programming with JavaScript, make sure you check out my website, course.zenotrustacademy.com, where I have the best programming courses on the internet. All right, let's get started. So for our hosting, we're going to be using Cloudways because Cloudways is one of the best hosting providers out there that gives you the best value for your money. So I'm going to leave a link in the description on which you're going to get to this page where you can sign up for Cloudways hosting. If you sign up with the link, you're going to get 30% off your hosting bill for the first 4 months. Also, it's important for me to state that at the point where you're signing up, you're not actually going to get billed. You're going to get billed after the month has ended, after you've actually used up resources. So let me just quickly walk through the sign up process. So here I'm just going to add my first name. I'll say Zeno, and then my last name. Now for this promo code, make sure you use Zeno Trust. So I'm just going to say Zeno Trust. And if you use the Zeno Trust as your promo code, so that's ZINOTRUST, you're going to get 30% off your hosting for the first 4 months. And then just agree and then click on start for free. So I'm going to do that now, and it's going to just register me. After you do that, you may need to check your email to verify your email address. So I've created the account and I'm here to log in with that account. So this email, and this is the password, and then I'm just going to click on login. So I'm logged in right here, and when you log in, the very first thing you want to do is you want to come here, click on this your name or this icon here, and then go to my account. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to set up your payments and addresses. All right, because if you do not set up your payment and addresses, your account is not going to be verified. So first off, you're just going to make sure you enter your address. So I'm just going to quickly enter mine. So I quickly enter the first address, which is supposed to be the card address. Then I'm going to scroll down and it's going to tell me to enter my billing address. So what I'll just do is I'll just say keep billing address same as my credit card address. So I'll click that, and next you're going to need to verify your phone number. So make sure you just enter your phone number and verify it. I'm going to verify mine before I proceed. Now you can see at the bottom of the page here, it says click here to verify. So I'll just click here and give it a couple of seconds. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to send you a verification code to your phone number, and you're just going to have to add that here. So I'm adding my code here. So that's 216, and I think it's 3. Let me just be sure. 381. So I'll just add the code and I'll say verify. And it says my phone number is verified. So once you've done that, I'm just going to add a company name. For my company name, I'm just going to say Zeno Trust. And then last but not the least, I'll say proceed to payment gateway. Now, as you can see here, it has brought me to this place where I just get to add my credit card details and then click on authorize. Now I'm going to pause the video and add my credit card details and then just click on authorize. Voila! So it gives me the message here that it says that thank you for upgrading your account. So what this means is that I can go ahead and use the Cloudways platform anyhow I want to, put my website online. So I'm just going to close that, and I'm just going to go back to the home page. Now, once you set up your account, you need to create a server, which is where all your WordPress websites would be hosted. So I'm just going to click on add server, and then you're going to select WordPress. All right, let's give the application a name. So here I'm just going to say WordPress, and the server is going to be called WordPress server. So I'm going to scroll down and I'll just leave this at 1 gig, and then I will come here and say launch server now. So the WordPress server has been created. It took about 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open the server. Oh, well, maybe not open the server. I'll just come back to the home page, and you see that I have a total of 1 server and 1 application. If you click on this application, then it will show you the WordPress installation. So just by creating the server, we have at least 1 WordPress installation. If you want to have another WordPress installation, all you just need to do is click on add application. So but for now, I'm just going to open this one, and it's going to give us details about our installation. So now this is the URL. It's a subdomain on Cloudways. So if I click on it, it will show you the installation, the front end part of the installation. So if you just open it here, so this is what the installation looks like. But what we are interested in is to be able to have access to the back end. So this is your username and this is the password. I'll copy the password, and then I'm just going to open the admin panel. So all you just need to do is to add /wp-admin, and it's going to open the admin panel. Here I'll say Donald, and I'm going to paste the password, and I'll click on login. So right here, I'm inside the admin backend. Let me save the password, and then I'm just going to go straight to appearance and themes. So once I get to theme, I want to click on add new theme, and here I want to look for Astra. Fortunately, it's already here, so I don't need to search for it. I'll click on install. An Astra theme has been installed. I'll click on activate, and that theme has been activated. Now let's go to the front end and see what our website looks like. Okay, so this is what our WordPress website looks like currently. So once you've done this, I want you to come to plugins and click on add new plugin. Now I want you to add a plugin called Elementor. So you want to quickly install this plugin and activate it. So Elementor has been installed. Now I want you to go to appearance and click on starter templates. So once you're here, I want you to select classic starter template, and then select your page builder. In our case, we're going to choose Elementor because that's what we just installed, and then it's just going to load up several designs for Elementor. Now what we're interested in is maybe like any free design that we can use. So here I'm just going to say business, because I want to use a business template. So it's going to search everything that's related to business. If its template is free, you're going to see it's not going to have this premium tag. If it's premium, it means it's paid. So we're just going to work with this, and maybe let me look for something else. Okay, maybe this one. So this is also free, and then I'm just going to click on. So I changed my mind because I saw this design, and this design is actually very good. So I'm going to go with this design. I'm going to click on the design, and it's going to open up the design. Now once it opens up the design, you can customize the design, like in terms of the color and different kinds of stuff that you want, right? But for now, I'm just going to import it as it is. So I'll click on continue. So right here, it's asking me to select the features that I want on the website. Well, I really do not want all of these. I'm just going to click on skip this step, and then it's telling me to tell me a bit about myself. So just go ahead and just, you know, fill out some stuff about yourself, whatever. I'm building a website for myself. Share non-sensitive data, no. Then okay, I understand, and now I'm just say submit and build my website. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. First, it's going to install some themes and plugins and everything you need for the website, and then it's going to build your website. So I'm just going to pause the video, and I'll be back when it's complete. So because the website was not heavy with functionalities, it's built in less than a minute. So I'll just go ahead and say view my website, and then it's just going to show me what my website looks like. So this is fast, and then I'm just going to scroll down and show you this is what it looks like. Voila. So at this point, we can now go ahead and edit the website, you know, change the pages, re-edit the pages with Elementor, and do whatever it is we want on the website. Another thing I recommend doing is you changing your domain name. So if you go to the Cloudways control panel, you are going to see the option to change your domain name, which is right about here in domain management. So in domain management, you can add like a domain, and you'll just be able to add your domain and then link that domain to your Cloudways hosting. So in just 10 minutes, we've been able to set up a website, and that's how easy it is. Now, if you are a beginner and you want to learn WordPress and also learn how to build a web design agency, get clients, and make money out of WordPress, then I'm going to be creating a comprehensive course that covers the entire thing. So not just teaching you how to build a WordPress website. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description to a newsletter where you can submit your email, and when I'm ready with the course, I'm going to let you know. All right, that's about it for this one. I'll see you in another one.